How to use sorry. For example, Mr. A was walking but kicked his foot on a stone. Should we tell him sorry or take care? Use sorry if you are the cause of a problem or misfortune. Use please take care or take care if you are not the cause of a problem or misfortune. I'm sorry you lost your dad. This sentence is wrong. The reason is this: you are not the cause of his father's demise. Instead of using sorry, use take care or please take care. The correct one is you lost your dad. Please take care. Did you get that? Do not use sorry if you are not a cause of someone's hurt, misfortune, or problem. Use take care or please take care. Oh, you got yourself injured. Please take care. Please, if you enjoyed the video and you find this video content valuable, you can subscribe to this channel by turning on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. Also like the video and comment below.